Hello everyone. Course BSc Subject Physics, paper Semiconductor Devices, Digital Electronics, Laser and Fiber Optics. Subtopic: Expression for current gain, voltage gain and power gain of a CE amplifier using H parameter. Presented by Bomulinga B, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Srimati Sri YER, Government First Year College, Pavagada. Expression for current gain, voltage gain and power gain of a CE amplifier using H parameter. Today we are going to discuss about the expressions of current gain, voltage gain and power gain of CE amplifier. So introduction. So in the last chapter we discussed about amplifier characteristic parameters such as current gain and values of other circuit components. From this advantages where the values of circuit components are easily available. The procedure followed is quite simple and easy to understand. Since the results are not very accurate, to overcome this hybrid parameters, method analysis is used to get accurate results such as current gain, voltage gain and power gain, input and output resistances. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the voltage gain, power gain and input voltage gain, power gain and current gain of the CE amplifier. So here, hybrid equivalent circuit of a CE amplifier is here. Already I have explained about the CE amplifier in the last class. So RS, now we are going to recall once again. So Vs is the voltage source, RS is the source resistance, IB is the input current flowing through the input port, and ZIE is the input impedance, Vi is the voltage measured across VBE base to emitter in the input section, HIE is the input impedance or H11, HRE is the reverse voltage gain ratio of the transistor. So these are all in the input section. So IE is equal to, IE is the emitter current which is flowing to both the common which is both to input and output sections. IE is the HFE is the forward current gain ratio. Is in the output section. IB is the current flowing in the output section. H21 and IB. IC is the collector current which flowing into the output section of the amplifier. So 1 by HOE is the output impedance of the output impedance ratio of the output impedance. Here H22, so we can call it as H22. RL is the load resistance and V0 is the output voltage which can be measured. Output voltage or output impedance can be measured across the ground to the collector in the output section. So once again we recall the terminals. We recall the terms. HIE is the input impedance and HOE is the output impedance. HF is the forward current gain ratio, and HRE is the reverse voltage gain transfer ratio of the transistor. RS is the input impedance. VS signal source across the input port. RL load resistance across the output port. Vi and V0 is the input and output signals. IB and IC input and output currents are taken to be positive while flowing inward. This circuit is an AC equivalent circuit and DC values do not appear in the circuit. Expressions for current gain, AIE. So let Z be the equivalent impedance of ratio of the output impedance, that means 1 by HOE, and RL is in parallel. Then 1 by Z is equal to, this is the parallel impedance, that means 1 by H equals 1 by Z is equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 by HOE plus 1 by RL equals HOE plus 1 by RL. Z is equal to RL divided by 1 plus HOE RL. Voltage across RL is equal to voltage across Z. Therefore, ICRL, ICRL, again ICRL is equal to HFE IB into Z. HFE IB into Z. That is equal to H is equal to, that is equal to HFE IB into RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Or IC divided by IB is equal to HFE 1 plus HOE into RL. The current gain AIE is equal to output current, the ratio of the output current to the input current. Therefore IE delta AIE is equal to IC divided by IB is equal to HFE 1 plus HOE RL. Expression for voltage gain AVE, current gain AVE is equal to output voltage V0 divided by input current VI, but V0 is equal to minus ICRL. AVE is equal to minus ICRL divided by VI equals minus IC divided by IB into IB divided by VI into RL. So V0 is equal to minus AIE into 1 by ZIE into RL minus, that is equal to minus AIE divided by into RL divided by ZI. So substitute the values of ZI, that means input impedance, or input impedance ZIE is equal to HIE minus HRE RL or AIE from input impedance of the equation 2. AVE is equal to minus AIE RL divided by HIE minus HRE RL AIE equals minus RL divided by HIE divided by AIE minus HRE RL. Expression for voltage gain AVE is continued. Substituting AIE is equal to HFE divided by 1 plus HOE RL from current gain equation 1. AVE is equal to minus RL divided by HIE into 1 plus HOE RL divided by HFE minus HRE into RL, that is equal to minus HFE RL divided by HIE into 1 plus HOE RL minus HFE HRE into RL, HFE into RL. So AVE is equal to, because HFE is equal to, because HFE is equal to HFE is equal to RL divided by HIE into 1 plus HOE RL divided by HFE minus RL, same, minus RL minus HOE RE plus RL. So because this is the AV, this is AV, so that is equal to minus HFE RL divided by HIE into 1 plus HOE RL minus HFE HRE RL. So AV is equal to minus HFE RL divided by HIE. So we can simplify this equation. So HIE plus into HIE into HOE minus HFE HRE into RL. So that gives AVE is equal to minus HFE RL divided by HIE plus delta H RL. So this is equation number 3, where delta H, this is the change in the input impedances, change in H, where delta H is equal to HIE minus HOE minus HFE into HRE. So the negative sign shows that the input and output are 180 degree out of phase. So therefore this is the expression for voltage gain. So expression for power gain of an amplifier. Power gain of an amplifier, this can be represented as APE. The power gain of the amplifier is the product of current gain and voltage gain. APE is equal to AVE into AIE. P is equal to I into V. Substitute the values of AVE and AIE from equations 4 and 1. We get from equations 4 and 1 we get AP is equal to, we know that V value, V is equal to HIE into RL divided by HIE plus delta H RL. This is the input this is the voltage gain of the amplifier. This equation we got from the voltage gain, and this equation we got from I, current gain. Current gain is equal to HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. That is equal to, so RL into RL, HFE into HFE is equal to HFE square RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL into HIE plus delta H RL. So therefore APE is equal to HFE square RL divided by 1 plus HOE RL into HIE plus delta H RL. This is equation number 7, where delta H is equal to HIE into HOE minus HFE into HRE. So in actual practice, HOE, HRE are very small quantities. Therefore, HOE is very less than 1, and RL delta H is very less than HIE. Therefore, the power gain of the amplifier equals HFE square RL divided by HIE. So this is equation number 8. So these are the books through which you can get more information from these books. And thank you one and all.